If you have potatoes at home, this recipe will surprise you. We started cutting 200 grams of calabresa. Look at that facility. This delight will be the star of our dish. Let's go. Now, heat a frying pan with a drizzle of olive oil and add the calabresas. Fry for 2 minutes. The smell is already invading the kitchen, and I'm already looking forward. Meanwhile, let's cut a unit of onion. This ingredient will give a special touch to our recipe. The onion is the heart of the kitchen. Now, it's time to add the chopped onions in the skillet. Let them fry for a minute. Look at how they will wilt and release that amazing flavor. Back to the board, we cut a carrot unit. This color will bring more life to our plate. Pour the carrot over the onions in the skillet and fry for another 2 minutes. Now, cut 2 units of potatoes. And add to the skillet. Let's fry for another 2 minutes. You'll love the crispness that brings. It's time for the red pepper. Cut a unit and throw in the frying pan. Season with salt, pepper and paprika to taste. Let's give that mixed. Look how vibrant the colors are. Now, add a good tomato sauce and mix again. This will make everything even more tasty and juicy. Returning to the board, cut a unit of tomato. This freshness will be the final touch. Add the chopped tomatoes along with the calabresa in the skillet. Pour 120 milliliters of meat broth over the ingredients and cook for 20 minutes. The magic is happening. Meanwhile, you can enjoy to feel the delicious aroma. And here it is. Our beautiful meal full of flavor is ready to be consumed. Did you like this recipe? Then like and follow our page to receive more tips like this. Bon appetit, and until the next culinary adventure. You will love it.